What a beautiful, what a beautiful parrot. That's what I love, going into the forest. To see these beautiful creatures. Creatures which I never have seen before. Creatures which inspire me when I do my paintings at home. Especially parrots. I wish I could have one at home. One which can talk, where I could connect with. I have no one to connect with otherwise in my life. I was always single. But creatures and birds are fascinating. I'm going to deeper in the forest and see what's on my way.
It's not the first time I'm waiting here to catch the perfect parrot. The blue diamond parrot. It's the one where there's only 2 parrots left of the species. And I'm gonna catch them. Why, you say? Why shouldn't I help to preserve their species? Well, there's a legacy. My father and my grandfather and my grandfather were all animal hunters. They have a name in the circles of all the hunters in the world. They hunted everything. Everything. Lions, giraffes, rhinos. But there's only one species they never caught. That's a blue diamond parrot. I'm gonna do what my forefathers never could. I'm gonna catch them.
When I was walking on the path, I saw in the distance Natasha McCarthy, the famous parrot killer. She must be after the blue diamond parrot, which I just have seen in that tree. And now she wants to catch them and probably make some soup of something out of the animal. Gee, I can't allow that. I have to stop her. I want that parrot for myself. Actually, there are only 2 left in the world. Just imagine I would have the blue diamond parrot to put on a painting. I have to stop Natasha McCarthy. I will do everything in my power to stop her. Hey, you. I know who you are. I know you are Natasha McCarthy.
Yes, I am.
Your photograph is in every newspaper in the world.
I know, I'm famous.
Now you search for you animals killer. You slaughter the most precious animals of this planet.
Are you one of those snowflakes? Always whining about killing the animals.
I saw your last photos you've published on Instagram with the last white rhinoceros in Africa.
Yes, because I know what it means to be a human. To go out and kill all the other animals. Hang the trophies on the wall. You would get a heart attack if you were visiting me at home, you little snowflake.
How could you be so heartless? We live together with these animals on our planet, and you kill them off. Why? Why do you think that you have a higher position so you could slaughter everything? To put it as a decoration in your house? How? How?
Because I know how important it is to prove how inferior all the other animals are, and that we as humans are the crown of creation.
I don't believe in that. We are not the crown of the creation. We are the lowest of this planet. And you are below the lowest of this planet. Natasha McCarthy, I will stop you from killing and catching that parrot.
You gonna stop me? What? I see you're having some painting equipment there. You gonna paint me and stop me? Well, I'm seeing the parrot sitting there on the mango tree.
Yes. It loves the mangoes, so just please. No, okay. I see that I can. No,
You wanna stop me while I'm climbing up the mango tree?
No, I beg you. I do everything for you if you don't kill that parrot. Look, I'm a man of peace. I don't believe in violence. If I had a coconut, I would even not be able to smash it on your head. I'm a man of peace. But don't do this. I do everything for you. Tell me, what do I have to do?
Well, actually, it was never the killing part that excited me. It was more the trophy part. Well, none of my forefathers had something like a portrait of them without one of the animals. You know, we're always people of action, and there was no time for portraits.
I can make your portrait. I can make the most beautiful portrait. With the parrot, but you're not in the same place. I know how it looks like.
You could
Then you
paint
could-
me with a parrot on my arm
Yes, and you could
and a
tell.
gun in the other.
Yes,
But it looks like I'm killing it.
yes, I can. You have to look mean, and we make I will paint it like it's a real photograph, and then you can put it on your Instagram and claim that you killed the blue diamond parrot.
It will be a huge painting so I can hang it on the walls of my ancestors' home.
It will be the biggest painting you have ever seen. It will be the biggest painting in the world.
It could be published in a journal. And a biography of my family and me.
Your fame of you and your family will be unbelievable. People all over the world will admire you.
And all I have to do is to not kill this parrot.
Yes.
Well, I suppose we have a deal.
The painting is finished. I gave everything what I could do. The painting is as huge as the walls of your castle.
Well, reveal it.
Okay.
I'm excited to see.
Phew.
It's beautiful.
To you.
The amount of detail.
Yes. But look,
I feel like I could touch the parrot.
yes, touch it. Touch it.
Feels like it's not a painting, it felt like feathers.
Touch it again. Touch it again.
There are feathers! The blue diamond parrot
The
and his revenge.
The Revenge is the name of my painting for you.